Welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. In the previous video, we introduced JavaScript, its history, use cases, and how to set up a development environment. Check out the link in the description to watch the previous video. Today, we'll dive into one of the most fundamental concepts in programming, variables and data types. Declaring variables. In JavaScript, you can declare variables using three different keywords: var, let, and const. Var was the original way to declare variables in JavaScript, but it has some issues with scoping and hoisting. Let and const were introduced in ES6, ECMAScript 2015, and are the recommended ways to declare variables nowadays. The main difference between let and const is that let allows you to reassign the value of the variable, while const declares a constant value that cannot be reassigned. Data types. In JavaScript, there are two main categories of data types: primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data types are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once they are created. There are 7 primitive data types in JavaScript. Number, used to represent both integers and floating point numbers. String, used to represent textual data. Boolean, used to represent logical values, either true or false. Undefined, represents an uninitialized variable or a variable with no value assigned. Null, represents a non-existent or invalid value. Bigint, introduced in ES 2020, used to represent integers of arbitrary length. Symbol, introduced in ES6, used to create unique and immutable identifiers. Non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types are mutable, meaning their values can be changed after they are created. There are 3 main non-primitive data types in JavaScript. Object, used to store collections of key-value pairs. Array, used to store ordered collections of values. Function, represents a reusable block of code that can be called with arguments and can optionally return a value. Type conversion and type coercion. Type conversion is the explicit conversion of one data type to another. Type coercion is the implicit conversion of data types by the JavaScript engine. Operators. JavaScript provides various operators to perform operations on values and variables. It includes arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and many more, like bitwise operators, ternary operator, etc. Check out the MDN webdocs link in the description to learn more about the operators. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll dive into another fundamental aspect of programming, control flow. We'll explore conditional statements like if, else, and switch, as well as different types of loops for executing code based on certain conditions. Make sure to watch the next video to continue your journey in mastering JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Keep practicing and keep coding. I'll see you in the next video.